Tired of struggling to lose weight, but don't want to give up your favorite treats? I've got the perfect solution. 5 delicious low-calorie smoothies to help you shed pounds fast. First, the Green Power Smoothie. With spinach, cucumber, green apple, and chia seeds, it's a detoxifying, fat-burning drink that's only 100 calories. Next, the Berry Blast Protein Smoothie. Sweet, and only 150 calories. Packed with mixed berries, plant-based protein powder, and flax seeds. Then, the Tropical Fat Burner with pineapple, mango, and coconut water, a refreshing 140-calorie treat. Craving dessert? Try the Chocolate Peanut Butter Smoothie. Just 180 calories, but tastes like a cheap meal. Finally, the Detoxifying Green Tea Smoothie. Only 90 calories, packed with antioxidants and fat-burning ingredients. Try these smoothies and start shedding pounds. Comment, and subscribe for more healthy tips.